Hello and welcome to Drain IV. I'm Kerry Taylor. Today we're going to show you how to install our Drain IV system. But first, some housekeeping warnings and safety information. Installation of this product by anyone other than a licensed HVAC or electrical contractor voids the 1-year warranty. Please make sure your installation conforms to local building codes. And please, don't forget to turn off the handler's power before removing the control box cover. The condensate drip tray and drain line must be thoroughly cleaned prior to installation. Remember, start clean, stay clean. Okay, let's move on to the fun stuff and review what comes in the box. The heart of the system is the pump. The pump is powered by a 5-volt DC supply and has an internal rechargeable 2000 milliamp hour lithium battery. The pump must be powered on at all times. If power is lost, the internal battery preserves the programming and the pump will continue to operate for up to 30 days. The pump has hardened polypropylene chemical resistant barbed in and out ports, a USB Type-C power port, a display, and a silicone keypad. There is a mount port on the top that supports several different mounting options, including our popular magnet mount, multi-use clips, and rubber feet. And if your selected installation service is lacking in iron, we also include the mag stop with 3M tape to keep the magnet mount from sliding. And as an extra feature, all pumps come with a serial number and barcode. The serial number is on both the pump and the bottom of the system box. This is a must for our large contractors to track their installs. Then we have a refillable 1-gallon IV bag that is constructed with 2-ply 10 mil over 4 mil polyethylene. It is incredibly strong and freeze resistant. The lid has a rubber grommet for the 1/4-inch tubing to make it semi-leak resistant if it falls over. We also include a weighted inlet filter so that the 1/4-inch tubing rests at the bottom of the IV bag. Power is sourced using our 24-volt AC to 5-volt DC converter with a 10-foot USB Type-C whip. There is a hardware kit with many options for installing the converter and securing wiring and tubing. A drip tray kit for installation inside the air handler. We include grommets, tees, junctions, and our new universal drip tray clips that are all UVC resistant. This is important when UV is used inside the system. We have an injection port with a silicone 1/4-inch tubing connector, 4 meters of 1/4-inch clear tubing, 3 meters of 1/4-inch black UVC resistant tubing, an instruction card with QR code that will take you to our website's installation page. And here are the tools you'll need: scissors, pliers, a screw gun with 1/4-inch and 5/16-inch socket drives, Phillips screwdriver, a wire stripper or wire crimper depending on your installation choice, and gloves and eye protection are highly recommended. You can contact us at info@drainiv.com or through our website's Contact Us page. We value our contractor partners and we are available for technical assistance or in-house training anywhere in the United States. You can find our product at participating HVAC distributors. Thank you for your interest in Drain IV.